Whether you should drink coffee before or after a workout depends on your personal preferences, goals, and how your body responds to caffeine. Coffee can have both benefits and potential downsides when consumed in relation to exercise. Here's a breakdown of when it might be beneficial to consume coffee in relation to your workout. Before a workout. Increased alertness. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that can help increase alertness and reduce the perception of effort during exercise. This can be particularly beneficial if you're working out in the morning or after a long day. Enhanced endurance. Caffeine can improve endurance by increasing the release of adrenaline, which can help you sustain your workout intensity for longer periods. Improved focus. Coffee may enhance focus and concentration, which can be helpful for activities that require mental acuity during exercise, such as certain sports or weightlifting. Fat oxidation. Caffeine has been shown to increase the release of fatty acids from fat tissues, which can be used as an energy source during exercise. This may benefit endurance athletes. After a workout. Recovery. Consuming coffee after a workout can be part of your post-workout routine, especially if you add it to a protein shake or a balanced meal. The protein can aid in muscle recovery and repair. Mood boost. Some people find that coffee after a workout can enhance their post-exercise mood and reduce feelings of fatigue. Important considerations. Timing. If you decide to consume coffee before your workout, aim to do so about 30 minutes to an hour before exercise. This allows the caffeine to peak in your bloodstream when you start your workout. Hydration. Caffeine is a diuretic, meaning it can increase urine production. Ensure you're adequately hydrated before your workout, and consider pairing your coffee with water to prevent dehydration. Individual sensitivity. Not everyone responds to caffeine the same way. Some people may be more sensitive to its effects, while others may have a higher tolerance. Pay attention to how your body reacts and adjust your consumption accordingly. Sleep considerations. If you work out in the evening, be cautious about consuming coffee too late in the day, as it could interfere with your sleep. Dietary needs. Consider your overall dietary needs and goals. If you're trying to lose weight, for example, be mindful of the calories and sugar in coffee beverages like lattes or mochas. Ultimately, the decision to drink coffee before or after a workout should be based on your personal preferences and how your body responds. Some people may find that a pre-workout coffee helps them perform better, while others may prefer to enjoy their coffee as a post-workout treat. Experiment with different approaches to find what works best for you and supports your fitness goals.